Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those that trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, and deliver us from evil. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. O Holy Mother of God, pray for us sinners now, and at the hour of our death. Come in. Oh. Hello, Father. Do come in. I was just saying my evening prayers. Would you care to join me? No, I'm quite alright. So sweet of you to check up on me, though. Would you like to say a prayer with me, Father? Let's. Hail Mary, full of Hail Mary, full of That's odd. I seem to have forgotten it. But there are so many prayers, aren't there? So can't memorize them all, right? So hard. Do you ever get lonely, Father? You're awful young to be a priest. Do you ever get horny? You must get horny, young, handsome man like you. Biologically viable body. What about in confession? When you have to hear those young girls in confession talking about their lustful desires for the boys in their classes. Sluts. Or perhaps those older wives and their adulterous affairs. Does it make your cock ache, Father? I bet it does. I wasn't always a pious nun. No, I had a wild and lustful life before I took my vows. But oh, it does feel so good to confess. I have sinned